Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Redmi supports split screen and enabling it. First, check settings about phone to verify MIUI is up to date. Updates often add or fix split screen behavior. Once done, open Settings Special Features and turn on split screen. Make sure you pick a navigation mode that you can trigger reliably. Gestures work faster, buttons are steadier. You want these prerequisites set so the actual split process is smooth, predictable, and repeatable. With split screen enabled, open the app you want on top or left first. Then open recent apps using your chosen navigation method. Once in recent, tap the app icon and pick split screen. The selected app will lock to the first pane. Next, choose the second app from recent or the home screen. It docks into the other pane immediately. You can resize the divider by dragging it. Make sure to test with a few apps. Some media or system apps may not support split mode. Finish by adjusting the divider so both apps are usable. Tap the middle handle to swap panes or drag to exit. If an app refuses split screen, make sure it's updated and check its permissions and display settings. Some apps disable multi-window by design. If you still have trouble, reboot the phone, clear the recent apps list, and confirm MIUI is current. As a last step, enable or inspect multi-window options in developer options. Sometimes toggling related settings restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.